friend of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this tablet. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing advanced features. Now you need to scroll all the way down over here and choose Dual Messenger. Then click on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook, choose install and tap on confirm. If you wish to use separate contact lists, you can do that by tapping on the switcher and tapping on next. But I will go with next only. Select yes in the pop-up, and now after a couple of seconds, as you can see, my app was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!